Now we have done the file transfer to the iPhone, and the song should be on there now. So what we need to do now is continue over to go over to your iPhone and go into settings, and then go sounds and haptics and ringtone. Now on here you can do all sorts. You can see text tone and all sorts. Look, this will also apply to text tone, believe it or not. So, but we want ringtones, ringtone, and the first one we've done is it's first time, so that one. Now I've set it, I can enable to my calls incoming to that ringtone, and that's it really to it. There's no more to it. Transfer now. Further ado, I'm Craig. Well, thank you for watching IT Solutions, and I will be uploading another video shortly. Thank you. Bye.